Our product can be stretched or shrunk to different dimensions very easily within our system and our configurability. So our product is the ultimate flexibility when it comes to aluminum cabinetry. Mike Reenick with CTech Manufacturing, currently Vice President here, and been with the company about 21 years now. So CTech specializes in aluminum storage solutions, so that includes cabinetry, mobile carts. We do aluminum drawer units, as well as cabinets for the back of law enforcement vehicles. CTech's specialty is being constructed out of aluminum, so that helps in mobile applications where you're looking for lightweight, can get better mileage with your vehicles, more durability with the product. We're known for our motion latch handles as well. We have a patent on that, so you can have a handful of gear, be able to get into your either a door or drawer with a handful of gear, and get access into that compartment. Also are known for our radius edging. It's a major safety factor in tight confined spaces, as well as making the product look very nice when it's in the installed environment. Started working with Touareg about 5 years ago. Touareg came to us when they had some issues with a competing product, both on the amount of flexibility they had with that product and the delivery times and lead times that were involved. Since then, we've done a lot of business and a lot of installations with various adventure vans and the outfits that you guys do. I've got a great package put together now that offers a lot of value for the space that it uses and the amount of accessories that can get put into that, as well as looking very nice when it's all finished and installed. We've seen a lot of interest in our product from the adventure van space and just vans in general. So we see a lot of the industry trending towards that more mobile environment. Being able to have workspaces now that people are able to work remotely more often and in more remote locations. Again, the flexibility in our product allows you to configure those spaces differently depending on what your need or use is. It can also be redesigned down the road, so if your needs change later, our product's flexible enough it can be morphed slightly or redesigned in a way that the back of those vans can be utilized differently depending on how your lifestyle may change. Our manufacturing process, we feel, is very unique to what we do here. We've put a lot of effort into automating the manufacturing of our product, the fabrication and the assembly of it, as well as how the product is designed up front. So you can go directly on our website at ctechmanufacturing.com, be able to configure a unit right on the website, stretch and shrink it, see what options are available for creating that cabinet. It allows you to get a visual of what your product's going to look like, and eventually you'll be able to see what that can look like in your own space or environment. We've got a fair number of new offerings coming out for our drawers. We've got a partnership with a new company called Tool Grid. So if you're storing hand tools and things like that, and you want to store them neatly in a nice confined space, basically allows you to put a plastic pegboard in the bottom of your drawer and outfit it with different accessories that they offer. So that's all sold through our website. It's been a great adventure so far, and we're looking to continue to grow with Touareg as much as we can.